A major scandal unfolding in India's judiciary as Justice Yashwant Verma faces allegations of these undisclosed cash wads that were found at his residence. The government now weighing impeachment. It hasn't successfully been done in this country over the last 7 decades. It's a rare and complex move against a sitting judge that will require a 2/3 majority in parliament for the judge to be impeached and then a full vote in the Rajya Sabha as well. Take a look at our top story today, a judge who's now clearly in the dock.
A story shocking the very foundations of Indian judiciary. The Narendra Modi government is considering impeachment proceedings against Justice Verma, a sitting judge of the Allahabad High Court. This comes after a shocking discovery of cash at his official residence in the national capital during his earlier posting at the Delhi High Court. Sources tell India Today the impeachment motion could be moved in the monsoon session of Parliament if Justice Verma doesn't resign. Then, Chief Justice of India, Sanjeev Khanna, had written to the President and the Prime Minister recommending impeachment after Justice Verma refused to step down. A Supreme Court appointed committee of 3 judges from the Punjab and Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Karnataka High Courts had indicted Justice Verma in its report to the CJI. Sources say the panel confirmed the cash was found in a locked storeroom used by Justice Verma's staff, and yet the judge pleaded ignorance.
CJI को चाहिए था कि वो कहते कि FIR दर्ज करो और इसकी इन्वेस्टिगेशन फर्दर कि ये आया कहाँ से कैश, किस किस ने कैश दिया, ये सारा कुछ इन्वेस्टिगेट हो करके और फिर उनको जो है छुट्टी पर तो भेज ही रखा था और क्रिमिनल एक्शन होना चाहिए था और इम्पीचमेंट की प्रोसीडिंग साइड बाय साइड होनी चाहिए थी.
Sources say the government will take the opposition into confidence before moving the impeachment motion. But impeaching a sitting High Court judge is no easy task. Under Articles 1244 and 217 of the Constitution, the process is lengthy and politically sensitive. It begins with a motion of impeachment, backed by at least 100 MPs in the Lok Sabha or 50 in the Rajya Sabha. Once admitted, the Speaker or Chairman must constitute a special investigation committee. If the panel confirms proved misbehavior, the motion must then pass both the houses with a 2/3 majority of members present and voting. Only then can the President order removal.
Given the fact that everyone would be ad idem on the principle that corruption cannot be tolerated anywhere, keeping in mind the larger protections that are envisaged between the Constitution of India and therefore what are the steps to be taken which are correct in law and in procedure, we should be hopeful that no one would be ever covering up any act of corruption, certainly not the government of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and certainly not the judiciary, which would like no taint on it.
Justice Verma has rejected the Supreme Court panel's findings, calling them motivated and false. With the monsoon session just weeks away, the pressure is building, and India could be headed for a rare and unprecedented showdown in Parliament. Bureau Report, India Today.